Right, yo, boys, market is literally about to open in 3, 2, the fuck, I just opened. Well aggressive. So I will not be taking a shot off that. Way too close to entry. I'd rather price retrace like it's doing now, coming back up. And then, right, if it comes back down, we'll probably get in. But I'm going to be a little bit more conservative. I want to make sure that that push is clear, right? And we're actually breaking out because we've been getting cooked in these markets on NASDAQ for the past 2-3 weeks, right? Literally the day after I passed all my accounts, every single day since then on NASDAQ, not YM, US 30's been okay, been getting cooked. So yeah, I am going to be passing the valuation. I'll be risking $1,000 on this trade. 25-point stop loss, right? Look. I want it to feel that wick that it initially, when it broke initially, I'd like it to feel a wick and push. As you can see, it's going back up again. Okay, well, since it's come down, wick down the downside, I'm probably going to look to get aggressive with buys, especially with this volume. All right, bring this down. So if it does push above that now, I'm going to change my entry, get a bit more aggressive. Contract, shit. So since I'm risking an evaluation, I'm going to risk 1,000, make 1,500. So I'll be going for a 1 to 2 on this trade. Sorry, a 1 to 1.5. Shit's already breaking. Contracts 10. All right, I'm in. Shit entry. If it comes up a little bit and shows that it's going to come down, I'll probably add to this position. I've only got $500. I'm probably going to put another 500 now. Right, yeah. Alright, so basically what I did then, with it being an evaluation, right? One, because I was changing my risk settings like fucking 2 seconds before I broke out, like I was like rushing and trying to work out contract size. What the fuck is it? Because obviously I don't risk $1,000 every day. It's usually 200. I was like, oh shit, what is it? So I delayed a little bit, got a late entry. But when I do pass evaluations, and if I do go to pass them very quick in 1 to 2 days, maybe 3 days, I don't just put the full $1,000 in immediately. With Topstep, I like to add to it just to confirm, because I'm risking such a massive amount of the drawdown. So what I'll do is I'll add half of the position to it. As soon as I see a full confirmation, boom, I'm in. So now I'm like, if I lose this account, I lose it, right? And in this case, right, what I waited for it to do is to come back up a little bit, because my first entry was so just shit, like so late, right? Boom. I was like, all right, how do I bring this up? So as soon as the price started to pull back a little bit, which I intend, which is normal and I see every single day, I'm like, okay, cool. Probably sort out the average entry value right now. So entered another position, brought up my entry so I wasn't as far down, and then boom. So yeah, a little bit of a tricky one, but fucking hell, we got it anyway. Cool, man. It just averages out the order a little bit better. So since I was late, thought it was like that already. I'm just gonna hold this here a sec. $1,000 risk. Oh, come on, bro. Don't fake us out. We've been getting cooked in these markets, bro. But if it is, it is. This is a valid setup. If I do lose this trade, I'm okay with it. I've taken my setup. Confluences, wait for them all. Break a structure. Right, it's come back down now. I mean, this shows me. We're going down. I'm going to let go of this. And they're going to pull out my take profit. Right, okay, cool. I'm going to drag out my take profit now. I just need $1,500. Do this for 2 days in a row and the account's passed and I can get back to proper risk management. All right, cool. As you can see, it's a 1 to 1.5. And now we just hope the probabilities are in our favor at this point. Sit on my hands and do nothing. That's all I can do now. Just let the trade play out, and that's it. Right, we're up a bag. Come on. Almost there. We're so close. So it's P&L out for you boys as well. It's a little bit chopped. Bro, have you seen how close? Oh, don't do me like that, bro. Alright, there we go. Yeah, this is coming down now. Boom, there's your profit for the day. $1,500. Listen, yeah, the one day where I'm on an evaluation again and not my fucking 600k in accounts. Are you joking me, bro? Look at it. You can't even make this shit up, bro. You literally can't even make this shit up. The one day I'm on a fucking $50 evaluation, it goes and does some smooth like butter move like that, bro. Oh my god, bro. You've literally got to be taking a piss. You can't, yeah. Fucking. Alright, yo, boys, here's how we're doing for this month so far in 2026. So I'll put this in my description. This is my Google Sheet. As you can see, this is London session. We've won every day except from 2. Today, there was no trade. Nothing presented itself. Now, today is our first W in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, no trade, 8, no trade, 9, 10 trading days. I mean, if we take away the 2 non-trading days, it's like 8 days, right? That's a lot of fucking trades taken in that time, by the way, right? Feels like a long time coming, bro. But this is why, as you can see, the differences between portfolios, right? You can see the London session, and now you can also see not that, and then you can see New York session, right? New York session is clearly being shit. NASDAQ, this is both NASDAQ. I trade London session NASDAQ. This is all NASDAQ, maybe 1 or 2 gold, and this is all NASDAQ, right? YM has been the best player this year for New York session so far, but we're moving it. Asia session, I don't really trade Asia. I just trade it when I can't sleep. But it's been very, very eye-opening, and I can see how, right? See how New York, right? You see how New York's just been shit, bro. Right? I need to stand up. New York has just been absolute tits up, bro. And I had all my eggs in one basket, all my allocation, all for New York. And guess what? You know how I passed all them accounts? In London. The majority, I passed in London on the first week, right? I took it and passed it in London. And then I traded it in New York and I got fucking bent over, right? So, moving forward, how do we see this? This is opportunity. This is lessons learned, right? All this red, I need to put it into the bed. Oh, it Ryan. Fucking shut up. Fucking immature, man. Immature, bro.
Sure, man. Fucking snap it on your fucking ninja girl. Shays, bend your back, bend your back. Oi, oi.
But look, boys, this is important. What do we learn? What have I learned, right? This is my personal experience. What have I learned? Besides fucking slapping cash on batty things. Right. Basically, what it is diversification. New York is going to have its phases. London is going to have its phases. Never going to be 100% right. The price action is always going to be inconsistent, whether it's London or New York or Asia, right? Asia's been on fire this month. But Asia's usually shit. Slow as fuck. From what I've seen anyway. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to acquire my accounts separately. London session, New York session. Now, for those that don't know, next week, right, I've decided what I'm going to do is I'm going to start trading London session live, right? I'm going to start trading London session live. So the way you're going to be able to join that is if you join my Discord, come to this fucking London on the left, right? You see on the left at the bottom of the screen, bish bash bosh. We had nearly 700 people on a fucking wait list to watch me live trade in the morning. Are you mad? Fuck knows. For free, by the way. But I'm like, yeah, fuck it. So we're going to do it. Live trade is going to be there. And basically what I'm going to be doing is to get my London session portfolio up, to get my London session funding up, is right now, Apex, you can do this, you can maybe not, is 90% off. So what I have done is bought 10 accounts every single day, Monday to Friday, for the next 10 trading days on London session. I'm going to full port, hit a 1 to 2. I'm going to risk the all account to pass it in one trade because Apex has 0 consistency and it's a 1 day pass. And then at the end of them 10 days, what you'll see is at the end of the 10 days, whatever I've passed, I will activate. So if I've got, let's say, I mean, if you look on here on the P&L right now on London session, if we'd have done that for 10 days in a row, I'd have probably passed 8 accounts. Like, like simple. So really I want to pass around 5 accounts, so I have about $250,000 funding. And then I've got $250,000 for London, $250,000 for New York, and that's how I'm going to do it. I'm going to start live streaming my London sessions. I think it'll make me a better trader. It'll get me up in the morning and fucking have to think clearly and don't do dumb shit when people aren't watching. So should be good, Bush. But I do not recommend anyone joining if you want to make dough, if you want to make money. Do not follow, do not jump in. So don't join it if you want to make dough. I'm just going to be full parting and shit for the first 2 weeks. And then I'll be trading proper risk management after I've acquired the accounts that I do want. So if you want to buy an Apex account, by the way, 90% off, use the code fucking LOCKIN. Bish bash bosh. Bob's your fucking uncle. But yeah, besides that, boys, go do something very, very fucking degenerative today. And be nice and kind to someone as well. 2 sides of the story. But yeah, boys, fucking waffling chalk and cheese right now. So in a bit, another day, another dollar. Let's get to it, boys. A lot of you have just been fucking blowing accounts left, right, and centre. Now it's time to just fucking run it out, shit. Fucking if you made it to the end of that exit, then comment in the description, lock in, because that was fucking retarded. Anyway. But yeah, boys, at least we got a W in the back. That's all I'll say. Happy days, eh? Now I'm just going to watch this melt. And now he's doing this, bro. What the f***? My girlfriend just called me. She's fuming. She didn't jump on charts today. Work on that. But yo, let me go over this trade now for you, man. So as you can see here, and then boys, basically my plan from there out is just to simply trade this account and pass it and just stick to the one. I still have all my Apex accounts. I still have like $250,000 funding on Apex. So they're going to be under here and I'm going to trade them.